opening sardines all night, in and out of here like a cuckoo on a clock.
Trousers!
My husband!
What? Trousers!
Take all the claim straight to the
Trousers!
That's my darkness!
Just
You
trousers!
taught me to die like a broken child!
I picked up that all you've got your trousers on!
And what you're up to with my little girl down there, baby, so... Stop.
Stop.
Tim is asleep behind the sofa while the rest of us go running around with our trousers around our ankles. You'll just have to do it, okay, Freddy? Right then, on we go. We merely want to hear the line. What's that, Dad? That's all. Nothing else. I'm not being unreasonable, am I? Exit! Does it say exit? Oh dear, now she's going to wash her lenses away.
I couldn't quite understand what he was saying. I often feel with Gary, I must have missed something. You know how stupid I am about those sort of things, but I think he said he was trying to kill me.
Right, because if you have to go on for Gary, Poppy can't go on for Donnie. Because if Poppy goes on for Donnie, well then you'll have to be on the book.
This is getting farcical.
When all around is strife and uncertainty, there's nothing like a... What?
Oh. A good old-fashioned plate of sardines.
What did she say?
She said, a good old-fashioned plate.
A good old-fashioned plate of...
Sardines! And curtain!